nito. Ang excited ako, guys. I tell me. I cannot go like this. Ay, naku, Lord.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning po, guys. Sobrang aga tayo ngayon. Kasi, hindi pa maaga, guys. It's already, 7 something. And, meron akong hinahanap. Hindi ko mahanap-hanap. Mamaya na lang. But anyway, hello. And, it's almost 8 o'clock na ng umaga. And, ngayon, mag-start tayo ng kain-kain. Bigay ni Lo. Thank you, Lo, if you're watching. Salamat sa dried fish na bigay. Thank you so much. And, kakain. At binigyan din ako niya ng yung, ano ba to? Malagkit ba to? Yung parang budbud ba? Ito. Soman. Binigyan tayo ng 3 at isang something na hindi ko na-gets. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yan. Ano yung, nilagay sa yung sa mais, dahon ng mais. Hindi siya dahon ng mais, yung parang sa mais talaga. So, ito, malagkit daw ito. I think, initin ko lang. I think, to? Parang, basta, initin ko lang yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko yan initin. I think, initin ko yan sa microwave. Yun. Huwag na natin i-steam. So, yun. I-try natin yan. Kainin. Then, ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yan. Para siyang kasaba ba yan? Or, kasaba is kind of matigas-tigas siya. Para siyang yung parang ng mais. Tik-tik. Tik-tik ba? Sa Bisaya, tik-tik ng mais. So, tignan natin. Initin natin. Oh, ang saya nito. Ang excited ako, guys. I tell me to take some. Excited ako sa suman. Oh, open natin. Anong meron? Ay, malagkit nga. Oh my goodness. Ipakita ko sa inyo. I miss this, guys. The other one is white and the other one is purpley. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Look at guys. Malagkit. Yun. Budbud. Thank you so much, Lo. Oh, guys. I miss. Oh, my God, guys. Malagkit. Budbud. That's a sticky rice. And you put something to make it like soft. I don't know what. Rice na. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and then I'll come down here, okay, to go out. Okay? Huh? I'm gonna get ready and I will come down. Bababa. Meron akong plano. Bababa tayo. And bababa tayo, guys. Ang gagawin ko is i-prank natin si Tami na. Asan yun? Asan yun ito? Nawala na naman. Meron akong puti eh. Ito. Meron akong puti. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Hindi ko ito sila nasusuot. Okay, ito yung suotin ko. And then, tignan natin kung anong reaction ni Tami, okay? Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo. Andun siya sa baba, nanonood ng TV. So, tignan natin kung anong reaction. Ngayon, gusto kong maglagay ng mga kamera para hindi ako magbitbit ng kamera. Para hindi niya malaman na pinaprank natin siya. Ito. Pakita ko sa ito na, guys. Nakaano na tayo. Saan ko kayo ilagay? Lalaba. Gusto kong pumunta siya sa bathroom. Pero I think nanonood siya ng monk. So gusto kong pumunta siya sa bathroom para malagay ko yung camera para hindi ako maghawak ng camera or cellphone. Para maniwala talaga siya na hindi ko siya na-prank. Han? Are you going to take a shower or no? I'm done. Are you gonna get ready soon? Mamaya pa yun. Mamaya pa yun mag-ready, guys. Kaloka. Pakinggan ko lang siya. Kung pupunta siya doon sa closet, kung magre-ready na siya, andin bababa tayo. Andin ilagay ko yung mga camera. Kahit saan, okay? Para makita. Andin yun. Yun. So, hopefully. Yeah? Come over here. I can't hear you. Talk to me here. What's wrong with Elliot?
Very nice, son. What's with the apple?
What's wrong?
Huh? What's wrong, huh?
Han?
That's why I like that.
I cannot go like this.
Huh? Very sexy, not to go for shopping.
We're just gonna buy strawberry. Come here, do you like it?
This is very pretty.
Han, didn't I want to go like this?
No, it's not for going out. Only wise guy. Look, you the dog out of the chair. Look, you're too dressed. I can't get on the chair. I'm gonna get you without Harry. Yes, it's very sexy. I don't know where you got it from.
How many times all the things that I got 3. You get this from me, and then with the brown one, and then the one is from Susie.
Okay.
Hey.
But you were supposed to be getting dressed. You made me get up and get dressed.
What I'm done.
You are not done. Don't be a smart ass.
Why? Are you gonna embarrass if I wear this out?
Yes, I can't wear it.
Huh?
No, that's sleepwear. You'd be embarrassed. You wouldn't go out, man. Who would go out? Stupid you? You don't even want to go out without a bra on.
Look, you've been pranked. Okay, I'll be dressed. My goodness. Hindi talaga siya maniwala. Kilala na talaga ako. Hey, Dimples, you cannot go with mama. Kilala na talaga ako ni Tami. Alam na niya yung ayaw ko at saka hindi kasi ako ganito, guys. Ngayon ko lang ito din nasuot katulad ng mga iba kasi binilhan niya ako ng mga ano. So, is this I'm wearing, it's okay now? It's not embarrassing?
I'm not the one that would be embarrassed. I know you.
No, you will be embarrassed because your wife is...
You want to go that way? Go ahead. You want to put it to the test? Go ahead. Let's put it to the test and see who's embarrassed. Go ahead.
You're gonna walk away from me.
No, let's put it to the test.
What happened now? Okay. Ay, naku, Lord. Han, don't scare me like that, honey.
Who's driving?
Huh?
Who's driving?
I guess me. You have brush? I guess ako yung mag-drive. Ay, naku. He doesn't wanna drive, guys.